Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out at one of my alternate filming locations. This is another park. The deal with this one, and I've shot a lot of video here, but this one has, if I want to do a fire on a stove, I come here. If I'm just going to use a stove, I'll go to the covered park. I also go there when it's raining. And you know, I've shot a lot of video here previously. Some I haven't even uploaded as of today, but what I want to do is I want to hang my trail cam here instead of the National Forest. I would prefer the National Forest, but you know, it's a little it took me like 2.5 weeks to get back out to the trail cam just because of weather or dumping rain, and I wanted to film the collection of it. But here it's a lot quicker to get to. It's easy, convenient, and you know, it's one of my alternates. So I got my Trangia kit out. Unfortunately, as you can see, I had to use a paracord bracelet to close it because there's like literally no wiggle room in this bag for extra stuff. And maybe I'll turn the camera down and show you. So I get a paracord bracelet holding this closed because I wanted to bring a cup to drink out of. And I've got my trail cam on top. And then the strap for the tree. And then I added just a can of hot chocolate mix because I got a big can at home. And that pretty much takes up all the room. There's like no wiggle room. And I got a water bottle on this side, but I couldn't even close it. So may have to rethink this bag. I also added a fire kit here, which is just a Maxpedition bag, and I've got a P51 and a P38, and then just 2 lighters and a ferro rod, and then there's some matches on this side. So, and then a little scraper, but that's it for fire kit. And I noticed that if I push this down on the side, and I stick the Trangia set in here, well, I can't, see, I guess it zipped that time, but at home I couldn't zip it, so I don't know. So it's a work in progress. Let me get my hot drink going first, because I think I've got a bit of a touch of a cold, so I've been coughing a lot, more than usual. So, plus a hot drink just sounds good. I think I've shown it. Alright, I think I found a location. I'm gonna hang it. Oh man, hot drinks really hitting the spot. Delicious. Alright, I think that camera hung up. So I have this set to video this time, video only. And I still got a bunch of battery life left. So, there she is. Now I went in the menu, finally found the setting. So this will probably be the only video I do today, just because I just want to get the trail cam hung up, because I'm still hoping for some pictures and video, well, video this time. So, see how they do. Let's get this sucker hung up. Alright, so I got the camera set. A little issue, it might be too close to the ground, like down a little too far. And I also noticed with the curve in the tree, it's like this, so the camera ended up being like that. So I might maybe go by a dollar store and get a rubber doorstop and put it behind it to tilt it straight, so I'm actually able to get more clear, you know, get it where I want to be able to see what it's filming. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up and head on home, and then I'll get out here as soon as I can and collect it. Of course, I just let the camera run as I went up there, but I'll probably trim like 95% of that out, so you won't get to see a lot of that. So stay tuned for the follow-up, and I thank you for watching as always. I'll catch you on the next one.